Hello YouTube and welcome to Katrinka LOL. And as you can probably see, I just got back from the hair salon and I took a risk today and got it cut pretty short. But it feels good, you know, and I've had very short hair before, so I'm not gonna cry or anything, like, you know, it's fine. Even if I didn't, I like it, but even if I didn't, it would grow back. It would be fine. So today, I wanted to continue in the wellness playlist and answer a question about nursing. And the question is, do nurses remember patients? And then the other thing that I wanted to start on was the second degree that I got, which was a master's in exercise physiology and wellness, and how I got into that. So let's start with, do nurses remember patients? And the answer to that is yes, absolutely. I remember patients from almost 50 years ago, still. And I can still see their faces. I can still see the ward that I was working on and what room they were in. You know, it's some memories get indelibly imprinted into your brain, and so some of these memories were, you know, kind of happy memories, inspiring memories, and others were, you know, pretty sad memories. But it goes on the spectrum. But I do remember these people. I remember in the newborn nursery when I was just, it must have been my first rotation as a student nurse, and I was assigned this newborn infant, which seemed to be like this big, you know, and so it was really scary to me. I hadn't really handled a baby before, and so I was supposed to turn it over, and I was afraid to do it, and the supervisor was pretty annoyed with me. But, you know, I was afraid I was going to break it. But we got through it and it was fine, and everything worked out after that. So I was just thinking the other day that little baby would be, what, 45 years old or more now. So that's interesting to think about. So yes, us nurses remember you, and sometimes fondly, and wish you well. So that's it for that question. And if you have any other questions similar to that about nursing, just drop it in the comments below, and I'll see, maybe I'll make a video about it. All right. Now the second thing is, how did I get into exercise physiology and wellness? Well, you know, back in the 80s, there was a very big craze in exercise and eating right and wellness and running and this and that and everything, which I got caught up into, and I really enjoyed it. So being the personality that I am, I like to delve very deeply into stuff, and so eventually I decided to go for a master's degree in exercise physiology and wellness and learn as much as I could about that field. So I think it was around 1990, and I was still young. I entered into the master's program. Before I did that, someone had asked me, what is your goal? And I said, well, I would like to meet my my potential, you know, as a person. So they're like, wow, you know, go for it. So I went through that program, and it was very, very interesting, and I learned a lot, and that was that. Now, it really did help me a lot with my exercise program and whatnot, because during the program I was able to, when I was in internship, I was able to visit various facilities and ask questions and watch how they did things. and stuff. So it was very worthwhile doing. So that's that. If you have any questions about exercise physiology or wellness, you can drop those in the comments also, and I'll attempt to answer them if I can. So that's it for today, and I hope to see you in the next video.